now it updates its televisions with one of the tendencies that more force they have at present. It is Alexa, a service with which they will become compatible. Vizio has in catalog some televisions that bet on the big diagonals and contain prices with an intermediate image quality and Full HD and 4K resolutions. Now the brand powers them with a new functionality that increases its performance in a noticeable way. With the arrival of Alexa, users who have one of the models that benefit from this improvement will be able to control the functions of their televisions by means of voice commands. The models that will benefit from the arrival of Alexa are all the 4K SmartCast P, M&E models of the 2016 and 2017 series. Of course, the models launched in 2018 Full HD and HD will also be included. This way you can manage the volume, change the channel, turn the TV off and on, and the same with the multimedia content that we are seeing.